Hi everyone! Today we are taking a look at the brand new camera by HuddleCamHD, the SimplTrack Lite. This auto tracking camera has a focus of up to 55 feet, 20x zoom, 270-degree rotation, and 59.5-degree field of view, all in 1080p at 60 frames per second. As you unbox the SimplTrack Lite, you will find the camera, a power supply, an IR remote control, the quick start guide, two AAA batteries, and an RS-232 cable for joystick control. So let's take a look at the camera itself. Here we have the tracking lens, which offers 20x optical zoom, and the power indicator. On the back, we have USB 2.0, HDMI, a 3.5 millimeter audio input, Ethernet port that is PoE capable, SDI connection, in and out connection for visca RS-232, and we have our DC 12-volt power connection. Let's plug the camera in with the included power supply and get it up and running. Remember, the camera can only be powered using the included power supply or PoE using the Ethernet NDI-HX port. Be sure not to power it by the PoE and the power supply simultaneously. The camera is not USB powered. Wait for the camera to come to the home position before use. Before we try out the camera, let's put the included AAA batteries inside our remote control and take a look at those features. You can pan, tilt, and zoom your camera using the up, down, left, right arrow keys on your remote. You can also set a specific PTZ camera preset by clicking the preset button and then entering the number you want to set. Want to quickly test out the camera's movement operations? Just use the remote to call a preset. Now, you may want to connect your camera to a meeting room computer or an in-room display. You can connect the camera to a computer using the USB 2.0 output, to any standard television using an HDMI cable, and to an SDI monitor using a standard SDI cable. So, let's get the camera connected. Plug the camera directly into a USB port on your computer using a USB 2.0 Type B cable. Do not plug the camera into a USB hub. The camera will automatically be detected as a USB camera source in your chosen software. If you're planning on connecting the camera over IP, you'll need to configure it first by connecting it to a live network feed from a network with a DHCP server. Once the camera is turned on and connected, you can install the HuddleCamHD SimplTrack control software. The SimplTrack Lite is truly a plug-and-play tracking camera that does not require much setting up before use. The camera only requires the preset 0 and preset 1 position set and the face height positioned properly. So, let's talk a little bit about those preset zones. Preset zones allow the camera to temporarily halt tracking once a subject enters a defined area. Once they enter that area, the camera will call a preset to frame the subject in that preset zone. This allows the subject to move around the stage and be framed when they enter the preset zone. Once the subject leaves that preset zone, the camera resumes tracking the subject normally. To set up a preset zone, first open the tracking software and select the Main View tab. Next, have the subject move to the desired preset zone location. Then, position the camera view in the location you'd like the corresponding preset zone to move to. Now you can set the corresponding preset number from 84 to 87 using the Preset section of the Main View tab. You can double check that the presets are in the desired location by calling the corresponding preset number. Finally, enable tracking and allow the subject to enter the preset zone. And there you have it. You are ready to begin your live stream or video production. For more information on the SimplTrack Lite, refer to the Quick Start Guide included in the user's manual. For more advanced operations, please refer to the manual located under the Documentation tab at HuddleCamHD.com/SimplTrackLite. And as always, feel free to reach out to support or check out the knowledge base on our website. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new SimplTrack Lite.